In this video, I showed how to create rope in Blender. Many of time we need rope in 3D modeling. So watch full video, open Blender, and take a circle. Go to edit mode and duplicate 2 times like this. Remove all vertexes in the middle. Turn on magnet and joint the vertex point. Set origin to geometry and place it in middle. Now add a screw modifier for modifier. If we increase the angle and distance, we can see a rope model, but we need long rope. So we make an object first, then we create a rope path. I am creating 2 bamboo like this. Okay, now add a curb and create a path like this. We can see a path. Select the screw and add curve modifier and pick up the screw by piker. Okay, now increase rotation number to long rope. Subscribe this channel for more video.